So back to reality, we got an old Jordan box. No way, bro. What? Please don't let this be a replacement box. Oh my. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with another Soul Supremacy beater box. This beater box is going to be $1,900 and I am freaking stoked over it, man. You know, the high tier boxes do come with a lot of heat. Usually they come with like a bunch of Yeezys, some rare old Jordans and stuff like that. So it's always a mystery and it's always fun. So I'm excited to see what sneakers we got in today and to see if we can actually make profit on these boxes. If you guys didn't know, Soul Supremacy is a shop out in California that specializes in selling shoes and... Okay, cool. Okay. Anyway, they specialize in selling shoes and they specialize in selling these beater boxes. Beater boxes are essentially mystery sneaker boxes, and in those boxes they can pretty much have any kind of shoe, any size, any condition, and the whole point of the box is to try to like clean them up and flip them to make more money. So that's the premise behind it, and usually these high tier boxes yield the biggest returns. Hoping that stays true for this box. $1,900. Let's get into it. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. Also, if you guys end up liking this beater box, be sure to hit that thumbs up, man. All right, let's do it, man. Let's do it. What the heck? Right at the beginning? Woo! I gotta show you guys the box. Typically, I don't show you guys what's in the box, but you guys need to see this. You guys need to see this. That is the top of the box. Does it get better than that? Jordan 1 box, Yeezy 350 box, and I've never seen this in a beater box before, so I'm kind of freaking out. A freaking off-white, guys. Is there only trash at the bottom of this box? Like, I don't understand. This is, okay, whatever. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So, first shoe out, we have a Yeezy 350 box. This one is in a size 10, and I think I know what this is. It is a pair of Yeezy 2.0 Belugas. This one looks pretty clean, except for the bottoms, I guess. So the bottoms are dirtied up. And overall, I mean, it's not a bad condition Yeezy. The Yeezy 350 Beluga 2.0 has been raising in value recently, so you guys can see over on the counter over here just how much money we're making from this used pair of Beluga 2.0s. And I'll tell you guys, man, like, used or new, these shoes still sell. Yeezys still sell. Even when people say they're dead, there's still a place in the market for them. So this is probably like a beater box first that we opened the Yeezy as the first shoe. That is insane, guys. Like, we still got like 7 shoes in here, it looks like. So I am pumped, as you guys can tell. I gotta settle down though because we got more boxes. Next shoe out is a Jordan 1 box. It is a size 10.5, so that's my size. Oh, interesting, okay. We got a pair of the Jordan 1 Chameleons or the Jordan 1 All-Stars. These are actually a pretty solid shoe, but this was a very underrated shoe in my opinion. It was dropped on All-Star Weekend for the NBA. And I thought it was pretty unique. Like, you guys can see, it has like a pearlescent effect where it's kind of like a chameleon. It just changes colors and stuff. So I thought that was really unique on a Jordan. The leather quality isn't the greatest, but it's not a bad shoe. It's very unique. So this one probably has a decent amount of resale value as well. Okay, and we're trucking, man. We're trucking. I guess we don't have a choice but to open up the off-white already. Like, you guys already saw it, so can't prolong that. Nike swoosh, you guys know what it is, off-white. This one is in a size 13, so thankfully I can't keep this. Oh, I didn't even read the tag. It's an off-white Presto. So you guys can see right here, it is the off-white Presto in that white colorway, and I've never seen the white one in person before. Super dirty though, you guys can tell over here. But yeah, I mean, no matter what, it's an off-white freaking Presto, so there's probably great value on here. I want to say it's at least $500 to $600. I mean, a little bit dirty, but Reshoevn8r got this thing covered, dude. So once we clean it up, it should look brand spanking new. Still has the tag in here. Also has extra laces. So I mean, we're good to go. Oh man, 3 shoes in and we already opened up an off-white Yeezy and Jordan 1. Have you guys ever seen this in a beater box before? I don't know what to say. I'm floored. This is freaking insane. This is wild. This is wild. What the we already had 3 insane shoes and I can't even speak. I can't even speak. Should I show you guys the next set? I'll show you guys the next set. Let's just do this together. So, I don't know, guys. I don't know. All right, so the next shoe out we got is a human race box, which is wild. Like I was saying, we already got freaking fire. I don't know how we can have this in here too. It is a size 11. Box is a little bit ripped over there, so that kind of sucks. Oh man, it's one of the freaking old ones, and these ones have way better value than the new ones. This is wild. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So you guys can see right here, we have the human race in that black colorway. See right here, the bottoms are dirtied up. It is obviously used, but the condition overall isn't too bad. Like the boost doesn't look thoroughly worn. Maybe it was worn a couple times, so this is very easy to clean. And yeah, like I was saying, the value is probably insane on this. It's got to be at least like $500 to $600 as well. So just between this and the off-white, that's pretty much like over 2/3 of the box. So that is wild. I've never seen a beater box like this. I've never seen this before. Like, that's 4 tiers of high heat, and it's all like different shoes of like this generation, you know? Like, you got the Jordan 1, which is always hyped, the Yeezy 350, you got the Human Race, you got the Off-White. It's like, have you ever seen diversity and value in a box like this before? We gotta keep going, we gotta keep going. All right, so back to reality. We got an old Jordan box. No way, bro, what? This must be like a hidden camera show where none of this is real. Dude, this can't be freaking real. This can't be freaking real. Look at this. For all of you OG sneakerheads, look at that and tell me that this is freaking happening right now. A size 8.5 too, that's like the money size. Please don't let this be a replacement box. Oh my God, what the heck? It's a pair of Ray Allen 13s. A pair of Ray Allen 13s, what the f is going on? So you guys can see right here, this is the Ray Allen 13s. You can see that right across the tongue. It says Ray, obviously for Ray Allen, one of the greatest Celtics to ever live, which is why it's in that green colorway. The suede is pretty worn over here, but other than that, it doesn't look like there's any problems on this shoe. Other shoe looks exactly the same. And bro, this is wild. Like, these are super rare shoes. Like, this is a very rare shoe. And this is awesome condition, and this is also a great size. Like, 8.5 is a great size. So for you guys that are in the know, non-hype beast and stuff, this is a fire item. I can't believe it. This is freaking wild. This is wild, dude. Original box and everything too. Like, oh, I'm sweating so hard, dude. I'm sweating like freaking profusely. Look at me. I got like, look at that goosebumps. You guys can see those goosebumps? No. This is scary. And we still got 2 shoes left. And look at this. They're both Jordan 1 boxes. Am I miscalculating the value? I feel like we're in like $3,000 range already. Maybe I'm just getting super excited, but I feel like we're up there, dude. Okay, this is a huge Jordan 1 box. This is a Jordan 1 size 13. Oh, this is not a good Jordan 1. It's not bad. So this is the Jordan 1.5 Chicago. And we got this in a recent beater box. I thought it was a regular Chicago at first, and I was getting super excited, but the 1.5 still has decent value, surprisingly. Like, you would assume that a 1.5 wouldn't be good value, but because it's like so close to the Chicago, and just because it's not a bad design at all, man, there is great value on these things. I don't know about a size 13, but I'm sure it's at least like $100 to $200, which again is surprising considering it's like a non-Jordan 1. There's that. Oh man, I hope this is high heat. And we're gonna end the box with this last Jordan 1. The top is kind of messed up, so that sucks. It is a size 13 though, again. And I think I know what this, yeah. Well, I mean, we ended pretty soft compared to the opening, but that's to be expected. Oh shoot, this might be dead stock too. I can't tell. Is this a dead stock Shadow 1? I think this might be a dead stock pair of Jordan 1 Shadows, so that's pretty dope. Shadow is one of my favorite colorways just because it's such a functional shoe. So I'm assuming this was like a tried on pair, but it should still count as dead stock, to be honest, like especially since only one side was tried on. A misconception that people have about dead stock shoes is that if somebody tries it on, it's not considered DS anymore. Like Foot Locker and like all of those places and stuff, when you try on a shoe over there, they put it back into like the racks and stuff afterwards, and that's still considered a brand new shoe. Like, they'll sell it to you when it's probably been tried on at least once already. So I think that kind of like alters it. Like, it can be tried on, it just can't be like worn, you know? But anyway, this box, like, what? Like, I don't know what to say about this, guys. Like, this might be the best beater box I've ever seen. That's all I can say, is that this might be the best beater box, not only that I've seen, but the best beater box on YouTube. I'm not sure what that value is on the counter over here, but when you think about just the diversity, how hyped the items are, and just how easy it will be to move the entire box, it's not like just like really one high heat shoe and then the rest are like bricks. Everything pretty much has value here, and it can move like relatively quick. That in itself is such a huge thing. Like, you guys can't take for granted like just the diversity and just how easy it'll be to move these shoes. So I'm stoked over this box. I don't know how you guys are feeling. Go down to the comments below though and let me know, because this honestly might be the best beater box you've ever seen. Like, better than Tokyo 5s. Tokyo 5s are dope, but from an overall box perspective, you gotta figure like this is up there. This is freaking crazy. I'm like literally sweating. You guys can't tell, but I'm sweating. I've had like goosebumps the whole way through. So yeah, this is like a very I don't know, I gotta calm myself down kind of thing. I'm just happy you guys got to see it with me because this is wild. So anyway, yeah, if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe down below and just like the video if you guys like this box, because I think this may be the best beater box on YouTube. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots.